Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. There are many ways to add members to your program, and today we're going to go through on how to add a member through the merchant. First, go to repeatrewards.com and log into the merchant portal. Next, click Quick Actions to the top of the page and click Add Member. From there, you'll see various demographic fields that you're going to want to fill out. Keep in mind that if you're using the phone number as a member number, you're going to want to type in that 10-digit number in the merchant number field. And then just continue on filling out the rest of the demographic fields. If the member provided you their mobile number and or email, they are opting in to receive text messaging and emails. The member can always opt out to receive those offers if they want. If you want to get information or ask a question that's not already added, you can do so by adding a custom question seen above to the left. If you have a spouse or family member that wants to be on the same account, you can do so by adding their card or phone number in the supplemental member number area. This will add that family member to that same account, so they could use either of those numbers and the points will go to the same account. And if you want to grab the additional member's information for marketing purposes, see below the additional member fields. Enter in the demographic information and hit Add Member at the bottom.